everybody. Okay, you guys know that we travel a lot, but we also travel a lot with our kids. You guys have probably seen our videos sharing all those travel tips to destinations all over the world. So today I thought it'd be a really good idea for me to show you guys exactly what we pack for our kids, how we pack the carry-ons to save space, all of our travel packing tips for kids, babies, and toddlers, essentials that you need to pack if you are gonna travel with kids. So I'm hoping this video will make life a little bit easier for you guys, so the next time you guys go on vacation, you know exactly what you need, whether you're going in a car or whether you're gonna hop on a plane. So let's get started. All right, before we get started, and full disclosure, this video is sponsored by primary.com. They have become a complete lifesaver when it's come to packing. So I wanted to make sure that I partnered with them on this video to get you guys an incredible deal and discount, just in case you guys wanted to use them too. All right, the first tip is to pack in a color story. If you guys don't know what that is, it basically means that you pack in a color or set color palette. Okay, so let's say I had Rockwell pack his suitcase all by himself and had him pack things that were blue, yellow, and pink for his color story palette for his entire vacation. All of those colors go together, so it's super easy for him to get dressed in the morning. It's super easy for him to pack and find those things in his room that are all those colors. It just makes it so much easier. So mom doesn't have to have her brain going a million different places trying to help the kids know what to wear every day, help them match, especially when they're younger, when they're toddlers. So that is something that we have done for years. Recently, I found out about a company called primary.com, and I purchased a bunch of stuff from them and I absolutely loved it. And I was so annoyed that no one had told me about primary.com before. Why did no one mention this to me? So I'm making sure you guys know about it and why I've partnered with them on this video, so you guys know. Not only do they have every single color of clothing in the rainbow, solid colored clothing that's interchangeable, that's matchable, that's affordable and high quality, but they also have reversible clothing, and that's what my daughter loves. So they have reversible swimsuits, tankinis, and one pieces. So you're getting 2 swimsuits out of 1, or possible 4 swimsuits out of like a tankini. So that's really cool because you're saving space and you're not buying as many swimsuits, and you have lots of different options. Plus they also have reversible dresses, which my daughter loves as well. So if you're trying to save space and just using like a carry-on or a backpack, it's a really easy way to pack in a color story or buy products from a place like primary.com, where you don't have to pack as many items to get lots of different clothing options. So since I partnered with primary.com on this video, that means we have an exclusive deal. You guys can use the code on your screen right now to get an extra 20% off your entire purchase, even the sale items. So you guys can head to themaliashow.com/primary deal. I will link you guys below in the YouTube description as well if you guys just want to click on that. All right, our next tip is about ziplock bags. They are so helpful and handy in so many different ways, and you can reuse them and just leave them in your suitcases so you're not wasting them. You can reuse them every time you guys go on vacation. For us, I pack anything that's loose inside a Ziploc baggie. So if we have toothbrush, toothpaste, if we have hair products or scrunchies or headbands or things like that, everything that's loose goes in a Ziploc bag. That way, when we're packing to come home, if we have a bag that's empty, I know, oh, okay, we're missing some things because this bag is completely empty. What did we forget to pack? So that's really great, especially for your younger kids. Another thing you can do too, whether you're packing in a color story or whether you're putting together specific outfits for something special, is you can actually put your entire outfit in a Ziploc baggie. Obviously, you would need a bigger one. But you can fold an entire outfit and even write on the front and say day 1 or outfit for photo shoot or outfit for family pictures. So it's all in a Ziploc bag. This is really great for toddlers who are still learning how to match and how to put clothes together. That way they don't need help from mom and dad. They can just go grab their outfit out of the bag and get dressed for the day. In our kids' backpacks that they might take with them on a plane, we have a few things that we make sure that they have. Number 1 is headphones. Now, you don't have to have Beats headphones like we do. I actually got these free from Apple because we purchased an iPad. If money is tight or you don't have headphones, you can head to Target Dollar Spot to get headphones for like $5, and they are awesome headphones, and we've used those before as well. We also have iPads. I know iPads are expensive, so if you want to get a kid's tablet or a kid's Kindle or something like that, that's a lot cheaper. You can totally do that. I do want to mention though, these cases are the best cases in the entire world. They are like a foam almost, and they have a handle. So you can prop them up, to set them down on a table, like a tray table, or on your lap. And none of our iPads have ever broken. And my kids like will swing these and accidentally hit something when we're walking down the aisle to get on the plane. So these are the best ever, and they're not that expensive. They come in lots of different colors. So I would highly recommend you guys get a case like these because it will completely protect your iPad or your tablet. Okay, now, if you guys are gonna go in your car on a road trip, one of our favorite tips is to use a cookie tray. You want one that has the sides coming up, the lips on the side, because that way crayons will not roll off, and you can literally just set it on your lap to color, to write, to do whatever, and everything stays in the tray. I've even had my kids do puzzles before on their laps on our road trips. And for your younger kids, you can get magnets, magnetic letters or things like that at the dollar store. And there's lots of things that you can get at the dollar store. So we always get like brand new coloring books, playing cards, or things like that at the dollar store for our kids to bring on our trips. Another thing we always pack on our trips is a sound machine. This is a sound machine we got from Amazon. It was like 20 bucks. It was not expensive. And our kids actually use these in their rooms at night to help them sleep and not get woken up. So we bring these on our trips because they're super lightweight. You can use batteries, but we usually just plug them in. And that's something they can even throw in their backpack. So we have everything we need in one small little space. One thing we learned really quickly when we started traveling internationally with our kids is that it's really hard to find medicine when you're in a different country for your kids. So I like to bring the essentials to make sure that we have them and we're prepared. And there have been multiple times when we've needed it, and I've been really glad that we've had it. I always bring like a kid's Motrin or a children's Tylenol with us, so we have that. That seems to be really hard to find if you go to a different country. I also bring allergy medicine because I can't tell you how many times we have gone to a different country or even like just to a different state and my kids have gotten allergies, and those are no fun. So we get the kids Flonase. That seems to be the one that works the best for us. If we're going to another country, we also bring Pepto Kids. I have them take one in the morning and one at night just to make sure everything is digesting okay. And I want them to enjoy their vacation and not be sick. So Pepto Kids is a lifesaver. The other two things that I bring, especially for long flights, would be kids Dramamine. I also bring melatonin for those really long red-eye flights. Red-eye flights are typically cheaper, right? So you want the cheaper flights, but then it's really hard on your kids. So we also bring eye masks because, you know, the flight attendants turn the lights on and off, on and off, on and off all night long. So we have eye masks that my kids wear as well, and it helps them sleep most of the flight. And after going on so many vacations and going to so many different destinations, those are the travel essentials for kids that I feel like every family will want to take with them to make things just easier so you don't have to worry about it and you can just have an awesome vacation. If you guys haven't tried primary.com yet and you want to, the link is below again in the YouTube description with our exclusive coupon code so you guys can save money. And don't forget to check out their sales section so you guys can get some crazy deals. And these are high quality clothing. I feel like they are way better than like say a Target Cat and Jack brand. So they are definitely items that you can hand down to other children and keep using because they're never gonna go out of style because they're solid primary colors. So huge fan of them. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions about anything else we might take on our trips that I didn't mention, or any questions about traveling with babies or toddlers, ask me below and I can tell you what we've done in the past with our kids when they were little. And if you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Okay, thanks guys. See you later.